Here comes a crocodile for the tourists.
He's a fat boy.
Get the tourist. Get the tourist on the
Yeah, he's a tourist gator, all right.
Oh, there he goes.
Yeah.
Oh, check him out.
Cart. Cart.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, it's a small car too. There we go. There he goes. Oh, yeah.
Come on, push.
Come on, fat boy.
Obstacles when you're driving in Northern Territory. Wallabies and
Let's see if he goes for the tourists.
Wow, that's a big gator, though.
No,
It's a croc.
I'm sorry.
Yep, and he's done.
Oh, well.
Sorry.
And everybody's trapped on the other side. So I would do that. Oh, there you go. It's a bigger crocodile coming.
See where that lady's standing?
Yeah.
Stop right there. I don't
Yeah, it would take him about 10 seconds to do that. I think.
Cars trying to urge him on. Yeah.
Oh, stupid.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, and a bird.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, he's getting closer.
Yeah.
This is an opportunity right here. That's a man croc there.
That lady in orange had been eaten, I would have had the greatest video ever.
That was awesome.